are going to the GS prom of Mary. That's Mary. Massachusetts yung GS prom nila.
Yes.
I hope you will enjoy, my love. Are you?
Yes. Look at Mia. Can look at Mia get that.
Oo.
Look at Mia get that.
Oo, makikita daw niya si Mia at si Zach, yung best friend niya. Oh. A little nervous naman ako dahil syempre si Mary ay hindi siya normal. Pero nangako man yung guro at saka yung mga kaibigan nila na ano daw si Mary. Titingnan daw nila, ano daw nila at saka yung para niya. So I hope they will enjoy. Right, my love?
Yes. Yes.
Turn right onto I-91.
How about you, Kyle?
Yes.
Okay. Ayan na. Grabe man yung ano nila, hindi sila naka-picture taking dahil ano, grabe ang ulan. Nag-thunderstorm. Yeah, grabe. Nag-thunderstorm doon. Nagtakbuhan kami kung saan kami pupunta dahil walang mapag-anuhan. Salamat na lang yung ano, mayroong ano doon na pinapasok kami sa sasakyan.
Left on I-91.
Ay, Diyos ko, Lourdes. Excited din ako ha. Siyempre. Yung nanay. Excited yung nanay. Pero may dala kami pagkain sa kanya dahil hindi man siya kakain doon ng mga pagkain nila doon.
Keep left on
Kaya
I-91.
may sarili siyang baon at oatmeal. Yun lang pagkain niya. Oy. Bahala na.
Hey, I made one.
Tingnan niyo, hindi magandang ano, panahon. Pagdating panahon. Sana hindi ulan. Yan. Columbus Avenue, West Springfield. I think it will rain the side off. Right? Except 5. Oh, alam nyo yung panera na yan, ang sarap dyan. Ang sarap ng mga pagkain. Tingnan nyo, parang globe. Oh,
Casinos.
what's that?
MGM.
The MGM. MGM Casino sa Massachusetts. Ito na po. Ito po yung Massachusetts. Okay. Yeah. Yep. So parang Bukidnon lang. Ang daming mga kabundukan at ano din, maraming kakahuyan. Oh my God, ito ang Holyoke, Massachusetts. Maybe that car is going there too, right? What do you think?
Oh yeah, I'll show you.
Oy, ang ganda ng panahon dito ha. Hindi katulad doon sa ano,
Look my picture.
Connecticut.
Hi, Ivia.
Yung bundok, oh.
Hey, see my picture.
Tingnan niyo yung bundok.
Hey, see my picture.
My God. Para lang din nasa ano ako. Papunta na ako. Uwi na ako ng Malaybalay, Bukidnon.
Maybe
Yeah, andino na kami. Dumating na. Ay, nawala kami.
miss you, Johnny.
See. Hey.
Hi, Jenny, miss you, Johnny.
Ayan si Denise. Ayan na guys. Ayan na si Mary. At si Denise. Ayan. Ay my God, grabe yung ano. Ay, ang ganda pala dito. Diyos ko Lourdes. Be careful, Kyle. Wow, kita nyo yan? Oh. Wow, ang ganda. Wow, nasa ibabaw lang ako ng bundok. Oh. Ah. Nasa ibabaw kami ng bundok. Oh. Kyle. Ha? Yeah, I know, but it's okay. It's really beautiful.
Yeah, that's what.
Look at
That's what
that.
my boss says. Really good.
Wow.
Kyle.
Come on na. Hoy.
Where was we made it?
Is it very nice with her? Wow. Ayan oh. Nasa tuktok kami ng bundok. My God. Ang ganda pero malayo. Sana mag-enjoy si Mary. Yeah. Ang ganda dito. Bundok pa more. Ah, ayan. Wow, look at that. Kita nyo yung bundok dyan, oh. Oh. Yan, ang ganda. I told Denise that we lost. We missed the exit.
Well,
We missed the exit. I told her.
what did she say?
She said she doesn't know because somebody drove her. Ang ganda talaga. Lalo na yung bundok, oh. Wow. Grabe. Oh. It's so nice, yeah. It is very, very nice in here. Oh my God. Ang ganda. Huh? Yeah, look at that. Hi, Kyle. Wow. Did you see there? Oh, di ba? Ang ganda. Overviewing. Oh, may batang ano. Ah, may batang